Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. Something a little bit different here today. This one's the Nissan nv200 2014. It's the short wheelbase chiller van. It's done very low mileage. This vehicle is just 7,500 miles from new. It's a 6-door model, diesel, 1.5. It's in super condition. It's got the slimlined carrier chiller unit fitted on the roof. It's cloth seats, multifunction steering wheel. It's got the Bluetooth stereo. We have all the booklets with the vehicle. Show you the manuals there. Got all the operating books there. All the manuals, spare keys. It's a one owner. It's got the rear parking camera also. nv200. Full size slab doors on the back. So they're a 60-40 split. It's all fridge lined. All working perfect. Little parking camera there on the rear also. Super condition, there's no marks on this little fridge van anywhere. It's been well looked after, very low mileage. The rear parking camera highlights in the monitor here. There's your fridge controls. Switched on there, so all working fine. Suit many trades, small business, starter up business. 7,900 miles from new, nv200 DCI chiller fridge van. Same day finance deals can be done, part exchange welcome, car or van. Anything else you'd like to discuss, just drop us an email or give us a call. We're open 7 days a week. Thanks for watching the video.